Hi guys, today in this video I will reveal the results, the analytics of my YouTube channel for week 3. So I will not say that I'm getting a lot of amazing things on my channel, but yes, we have got some new subscribers and the views are up a little bit, and I have learned a few lessons as well. So let's jump on my screen. I'll show you everything we have got for this week. Okay guys, so we are inside my channel dashboard. So as you can see here, we have got 3 subscribers. That means we have got 2 more subscribers in the last 7 days. As you can see, let's go here inside our content. So the last video I published was on 6th of August, that got only 3 views, but yes, we have 1 like. And the last video about my weekly analytics, that was week 2 results for my YouTube monetization, that was published on 3rd of August, and that got 9 views and 2 comments, right? So we have got some good encouraging numbers in terms of views. So I can remember that last time we have uh, I think that was this one. I think that was 44 views, if I can remember. Yes, we had 44 views and 2.2 watch hours and 1 subscribers in the last week, before that last week. And now we have, I can say, we have now 86 views and 3 hours watch time plus 3 subscribers. So we have got some number. We have got a couple of more subscribers who have 2 more subscribers and 42 views in this last 7 days. So I think beside this is a good thing. Yes, we are getting some views and we have uh, got some more subscribers. At this point, I want to share one very important thing that I just learned, that initially when you're just starting out, uh, you don't have to be more, focused on subscribers and views and all those things. The one thing that you should focus on in the beginning is you have to keep a momentum. You have to build a momentum, build a consistency in terms of scheduling and posting your videos, and you have to keep improving with every video. I think this lesson about improving in every video, I think I have shared before uh, in some video. I don't remember exactly, but yes, I'm trying to improving with every video in terms of editing, in terms of showing, in terms of be confident facing camera, because I'm a camera shy person. I'm not very confident facing the camera, exposing myself, exposing my face to the community on YouTube, to my viewers, to my subscribers. So this is one thing that I will be working on. And yes, one more thing I will be working on in the coming days is that I will be posting 3 videos instead of 2 videos. One video I will be posting about my weekly analytics, the performance of my YouTube channel and my videos, and two, I will be posting one how to in-depth tutorial about going on YouTube. And third thing, I will be trying to post one viral video about a trending topic, a trending angle, and making it my own, making it relatable to my target audience, to my viewers, right? So this is one. These are the 2 lessons that I have learned, and I will be trying to cope that those lessons inside my YouTube activity. So yes, the numbers are up a little bit. We have got some more subscribers and more views, and things are going steadily. Okay, it's not overwhelming, it's not blowing up, but yes, we have a little bit traction on our channel. So that's it for this week, and I hope to see you in the next video. And if you are new on this channel, if you are watching my video for the first time, that let me tell you that on this channel I am sharing everything I'm learning and doing to build a YouTube channel from ground up to a level where I can confidently quit my 9 to 5 job. Right now I'm jobless. I'm looking for a job. At the same time I'm learning and growing my YouTube channel. So if you are interested in learning and launching your YouTube channel the right way, and if you are willing to learn from someone who is a few steps ahead of you. I'm not a YouTube guru, I'm just a regular guy, a father of three amazing kids, and I'm learning and sharing everything. If you are willing to learn from me and get some inspiration and motivation how to start a YouTube channel, how to create videos, and how to build confidence on camera, and eventually build a brand that you will be proud of in the next few years. Okay, and then I will encourage you to subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment section what is the topic about growing a YouTube channel that you are more interested about, that you want me to create video about on my channel. And I hope to see you in the next video. So see you, bye bye.